Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th standard maths part first in the third chapter arithmetic progression, okay, in the problem set 3. Second one is find the fourth term from the end in an arithmetic progression, that is minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and so on till 49. Okay, so here it is, see, find the fourth term from the end. See, from here we have to find out the fourth term. Okay, 49 is the last term. So fourth term means if you find out the difference between these two, see here it is minus 8 and minus 8 minus of minus 11. Okay, so minus 8 minus plus 11. So this is common difference is 3. See, common difference is 3, so that we can say that 49, then comes 46, okay, 46, then comes 43, 40 is the fourth term. We can say from the end, see, from the end it is 40 is the fourth term. So here it is, find the fourth term. You have to find out fourth term, so we have to write in a reverse direction. Okay, so we'll write here fourth term from the end in an arithmetic progression, that is T4. No, fourth term we have to find out T4 in the reverse of AP. Okay, so we'll write reverse of AP, that is starting from 49, okay, and so on. Then comes minus 5, minus 8, minus 11. Okay, therefore here A is 49. Okay, A is 49, and common difference is here minus 8 minus of minus 5, minus 8, minus becomes plus 5, that is minus 3. Therefore we know that Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is T4, we have to find out. A is 49 plus n is 4 minus 1 into D is minus 3. That is, therefore T4 is 49. 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. 3 3 is 9, that is minus 9. So minus 9. Okay, answer is 40. Therefore answer is fourth term from the end of a given arithmetic progression. Fourth term from the end of a given arithmetic progression is, fourth term is 40. Answer is 40. Okay. Third one is in an arithmetic progression, the 10th term is 46. Sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52. Find the arithmetic progression, find AP. Okay, so in an arithmetic progression, 10th term here given is T10 is 10th term is how much? 10th term is 46. Okay, then sum of fifth and 7th term is 52. Here sum means T5 plus T7. That is how much? 52. Find AP. We have to find out arithmetic progression. We have to find out. Okay. So first find out T10. Therefore T10, Tn, first we'll write Tn formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. First we'll find out T10, that is A we don't know, n is 10 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 9D. But here T10 is given 46. No, 46 is given. Therefore, A plus 9D is 46. Give this equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Now, T5 will find out. T5. That is, T5 is A plus n is 5 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 4D. That is T5. Therefore, A plus 4D is, okay, let it be like this only. This is equation number 2. Now T7 is A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 6D. That is T7. This is, let it be equation number 3. Okay. So now see. This is equation number 1. T5 plus T7 is how much? 52. That equation number 2 and 3. Here you will write T5 plus T7, that is 52. This is given. This is also given, no? Substitute. T5 is A plus 4D plus T7 is A plus 6D. That is 52. Okay. So A is 1A, another A is 2A, therefore plus 4D, 6D is 10D is 52. We can divide this by 2 for the simplification. Okay, so dividing by 2 is A plus 5D equal to 2 to the divide by 2 to the 4. See, 52 divided by 2 is 2 to the 4, 26. Okay. This is equation number 4. Now subtract this equation number 1, that is T10, equation number 1 and equation number 4. We can subtract now. So subtracting equation number 4 from 1. Equation number 4 from 1. 4 is 1 is A plus 9D equal to 46, and fourth this one is A plus 5D equal to 26. This is subtracting, so you have to change the sign here. Here it is minus, here also minus. This is cancelled. So 9 minus 5 is 4D equal to, this is 46 minus 26 is 20. That is 20. Therefore D is 5. D is 5. 4 5s are 20. Substitute this D in any one equation here. Take anything, substituting D equal to 5. in equation 46, where is 46? In equation 1, okay, in equation 1, that is a plus 9 into d, d is 5, equal to 46. Therefore a is 46 minus 9 5 is a 45. Therefore a is 1. D is 5, a is 1. D is 5, a is 1. So now this is T1 is, that is a, no, that is 1. T2 is a plus d, that is a is 1 plus d is 5. T2 is 6. T3 is a plus, not a, T1. Here you have to write T1. T1. Okay. Okay. See. T1. T2 is T1 plus D. That is T1 is 1 plus D is 5, that is 6. T3 is T2 plus D. That is T2 is 6 plus 5. 11. T4 is T3 plus D, that is 11 plus 5, that is 16. Therefore arithmetic progression, now answer is, so they are asked, no, so find the arithmetic progression. Therefore arithmetic progression is a, first one T1 is 1, then T2 is 6, then 11, then 16, and so on. This is the arithmetic progression. So therefore answer will write here, answer. The given arithmetic progression is 1, 6, 11, 16. Okay, and so on, 16 and so on, till here you have to write like this, not till here, 16 and then so on. Okay, so fourth one is the arithmetic progression in which fourth term is minus 15 and ninth term is minus 30. Find the sum of the first 10 numbers. See, here in the in arithmetic progression, fourth term, that is T4 is minus 15 and ninth term T9 is minus 30. Find Sn, that is S10, we have to find out. Therefore solution is T4 right here T4 is minus 15. Okay, T4 is minus 15, T9 is minus 30. Find the sum of T, not T, Sn, that is S10 is, that we have to find out. Okay, therefore we will find out first T4. Therefore Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is Tn is T4, that is a plus 4 minus 1 into d. T4 is how much? Minus 15, that is a plus 3d. Here it is 3d, no, let it, therefore a plus 3d is minus 15. This equation number 1. Okay, now T9 is a plus n is 9 minus 1 into d. T9 is how much? Minus 30, that is a plus 9 minus 1 is 8d. Therefore a plus 8d is minus 30. This is equation number 2, T4 and T9. Now we have to subtracting these two. Subtracting subtracting 1 from 2. Okay, subtracting 1 from 2. That is, first write this equation number 2. Therefore a plus 8d equal to minus 30. So this one is a plus 3d equal to minus 15. So subtracting, so change the sign to not getting cancelled, so you have to change the sign of the whole equation. So this is minus and this is minus, because here it is minus, become plus. Therefore plus a minus a is gone, and here 8 minus 3 is 5d, no, plus 5d equal to, here this is plus 15, minus 30 plus 15, that is minus 15, no, minus 10 minus 5 is 5, and here it is 2 plus 1 is minus 15. Therefore d is minus 3. 15 by 5 means minus 3. D is 3. Substituting d in any one equation, 1 or 2, substituting d is minus 3 in equation 1. Okay, so therefore a plus 3 into d is minus 3 equal to minus 15. Therefore a plus this is minus 9, let it be like this, equal to minus 15. Therefore a is minus 15, this is minus 9, becomes plus 9, minus 15, 9, 6, minus 6. Therefore a is minus 6. A is minus 6. Now we know the d value and a value. We can find out Sn, no? So now Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. N is n. Here it is S10, we have to find it. Sn is S10. Okay, so n is 10 by 2 into 2 into a. A is minus 6 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is minus 3. Therefore 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore 5 into this is minus 12, and here it is this is 9 multiplied by minus 3. So minus 27, 12 minus 27. Okay, therefore 5 into minus 27 minus 12, minus 27 minus 12, 9 and 3. This is minus 39, minus 39. So minus 39 multiplied by 5. Minus 195. Minus 195. This is S10. Therefore, 10th term. Find the sum of the first 10 numbers. The sum of the first 10 numbers is minus 195. Therefore, write the answer. The sum of sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is minus 195. Okay. Fifth one is two arithmetic progressions are given. Okay, this is first arithmetic progression 9, 7, 5 and so on, and second arithmetic progression is 24, 21, 18 and so on. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. Okay, so first we'll find out that nth term. We have to find out nth term means Tn of the first progression. Then we'll find out the nth term of the second progression, that is Tn of the second progression. Okay, then this is the condition we'll apply. This is nth term of the both the progressions are equal, then find. Okay, so first we'll write the first progression. First arithmetic progression is first arithmetic progression is 9, 7, 5 and so on. Here A is, therefore A is 9 and difference is 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Therefore Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A is 9 plus n is, n we have to n minus 1 into D is minus 2. That is n plus 9 plus this here it is minus 2n. Minus 2 multiplied by n is minus 2n, and this is minus minus plus 2. This is 9. This is minus 2n. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, 11 minus 2n. Tn is, this is equation number 1. Now second arithmetic progression is 24, 21, 18 and so on. Therefore A is 24 and common difference is 21 minus 24, that is 3 minus 3. Okay, therefore Tn is A plus n minus 1. A is here 24 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. That is 24. Here it is minus 3n. Minus minus become plus 3. This is 24 plus 3 is not plus, yeah, minus 3n minus minus plus plus 3. Okay, 27 minus 3n. Tn is 27 minus 3n. Now it is here, it's a condition if nth term of both the progression, this is the nth term of the, let it be second equation. Okay, this is the nth term of the first progression, this is the nth term of the second arithmetic progression. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. Therefore nth term of first progression first arithmetic progression is equal to nth term of second arithmetic progression. Write that nth term of the first arithmetic progression is 11 minus 2n equal to 27 minus 3n. No? Therefore, two n, bring 3n to the left hand side becomes plus 3n equal to 27, bring 11 to the right hand side becomes minus 11. Here it is, therefore n is minus 2n plus 3n is n, 27 minus 11 is 6 and 1, n is 16. N is 16. Now we have to find out the nth term. Substitute this nth term in any one of this equation or second equation. Okay, substituting n equal to 16 in equation 1. Okay, so therefore Tn is 11 minus 2 into 6, n is 16. Therefore 11 is 16 2s are 32. So minus 32 plus 11 is 2 minus 21. Therefore Tn is minus 21. Therefore this is Tn. Therefore now answer is n is, find the value of n. Therefore n is how much? N is 16 and nth term is, that is Tn is 20 minus 21. Nth term, okay, n is 16 and nth term is minus 21. Sixth one is, if sum of third and eighth terms of an arithmetic progression is 7 and sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3, then find the 10th term. Okay, here sum means not Sn, here it is Tn. Okay, so first we'll find out T3, okay, then T8. Okay, you have to add, that is 7. Okay, then find T7, then T14, that is sum, add plus, that is minus 3. Okay, so first we'll find out, first we'll write given, what is given here? T3, T3 and T sum means T3 plus T8, that is 7, no? And another one is T7, that is, and plus T14, that is minus 3, no, minus 3. Find the 10th term, that is T10 we have to find out. Okay, first we'll find out T3. So we know Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. No, Tn is T3, that is, first we'll take T3, a plus 3 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 2d. T3 is a plus 2d. Let it be equation number 1. Now T8 is a plus 8 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 7d. This is T8 is a plus 7d. Okay, now third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7. Now add 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to add. Now we have to add T3 plus T8. This is T3 plus T8. We have to add. Now this is T3 plus T8. That is 7, no? So right now T3 is A plus 2D plus T8 is A plus 7D equal to 7. Therefore, A plus A is 2A plus 2D plus 7D is 9D equal to 7. Let it be equation number 3. Okay. Now this thing has got over. See, this has got over. Now we have to find out this same similar way. Okay. So now T7. Therefore now T7 will find out. Okay. Right now he'll also T7, that is T7 is A plus N is 7 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 6D. This is T7. Let it be equation number 4. And now T14. Similarly, therefore T14, that is A plus N minus N is 14 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 13D. This is equation number 5. Now we know that now this is T7 plus T14 is minus 3. No, this is given. You have to write here, this is given. This is also given. Now substitute. T7 is A plus, therefore A plus 6D plus T14 is A plus 13D, that is minus 3. Therefore A plus A is 2A. No, therefore 13D plus 6D is 19D. No, plus 19D is minus 3. This is equation number 6. Now we have to subtract 5 and 6. We have to subtract 6 from 5. This is no, not this. Here it is there, no? Also okay. 3 and 5, not this. We have to subtract 3. We have to subtract 3 from 6. Means we have to subtracting these two, given, no? Here it is subtracting this and this, that we have solved, no? So that is, here it is, this is also from here it is starts second one. First one is, this one is, so subtracting 6 from 3. Therefore subtracting equation number 6 from 3. Okay, so write first 2A plus 9D equal to 7. This is this equation. Now write this equation, 2A plus 19D equal to minus 3. Subtracting. So it will not, so you have to change the sign. This is minus, so it becomes plus. Therefore this has gone, it got cancelled. So plus 9 minus 19 is minus 10, no? 10D equal to, this is plus 7, this is plus 3. is plus 10. Therefore, D is, see here it is, this is minus 10. So therefore minus D is 10 by 10 is 1. Therefore D is minus 1. Okay. Therefore D is minus 1. Substituting D equal to minus 1 in equation 3 or 6. Anything will do. In equation 3 will do. That is 2a plus 9d equal to 7. Therefore 2a, therefore plus 9 multiplied by d is minus 1 equal to 7. Therefore 2a, this is minus equal to 7. This is 9 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9. Minus 9, bring it to this side, plus 9. Okay. Therefore a is 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 1 10 16. 16 by 2. That is a is 8. A is 8. Okay. Now we have D value we know and A also we know. Now we can find out the T10th term. Okay. Therefore D is 1 and A is 8. Therefore Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. That is T10 we have to find out this 10. See, you have to find out this T10 is A is 8 plus n is 10 minus 1 into D is 1. That is 8 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is 1. That is T10 is, therefore T10 is 17. T10 is 17. So here I made a mistake. D is minus 1 here. D is minus 1. Huh? So here it is, see, I wrote wrong. D is minus 1. Therefore here D is minus 1 here, minus 1. Therefore it is minus 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9. Therefore T10, therefore T10th term is minus 9. 8 is minus 1. Okay. T10 is minus 1. Okay. Therefore answer is 10th term. Therefore find the 10th term. 10th term is minus 1. Okay. So in problem set 3 I have solved till 6. Okay. 7th onwards in my next video. Okay. So okay then, bye.